In this video, I'll show you how to get Temu cash reward. So, for doing that, you have to install the Temu application from the Play Store and then open it. And after opening the Temu application, you have to tap on the U sign in the middle, in the below. And then you have to tap on the Earn Credits and Free Gift option. And from here, you have to tap on the Redeem Cash option. So from here you can earn coins and then get them redeem and turn into cash. So for spinning you have to refer to your friends. So if we tap on the refer one friend option, we can see that here's the option, the social medias, and you can also copy the link, and by copying the link or share it in the social medias you can get new users. For one refer you can spin this wheel, and if we spin this wheel we can earn the coins, and then we can redeem it into cash. And here is the option how to redeem cash on Temu. We have to refer friends with our link and spin the wheel to earn coins and redeem your star coins for cash. So the main process is that we have to refer to your friends with our links, and then we have to spin the wheel to earn coins and then redeem our stars coins for cash. So here is how we can get Temu cash reward. Thank you.